Welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you on how to fix Call of Duty Warzone. The application has unexpectedly stopped working. So if you're encountering the application has unexpectedly stopped working error in Call of Duty Warzone, here are some steps you can try to fix the issue. So first, update your graphics card and drivers. Outdated or incompatible graphics card drivers can cause crashes. Visit the website of your graphics card manufacturer and download the latest drivers for your specific graphics card model. Install them and restart your computer before launching the game again. Verify game files. If certain game files are corrupted or missing, it can lead to crashes. If you're playing Warzone through a platform like Battle.net, open the Battle.net launcher, go to the games page, and click on the options icon next to the play button. From there, select scan and repair or a similar option to verify and repair the game files. Lower in-game graphics settings. High graphics settings can strain your system leading to crashes. Try lowering the graphics settings in Call of Duty Warzone. Reduce options such as texture quality, shadows, and anti-aliasing. You can access these settings within the game's option menu. Disable unnecessary background applications. Certain background applications or overlays like Discord, GeForce Experience, or streaming software can conflict with the game and cause crashes. Temporarily disable or close any unnecessary applications while running Warzone. Next is to check for overheating. Overheating can cause system instability and crashes. Ensure that your computer is adequately cooled and free of dust. Monitor your CPU and GPU temperatures using software like MSI Afterburner or HW Monitor and make sure they are within safe limits. Run the game as administrator. So right click on the game's executable file or shortcut and select Run as Administrator from the context menu. This can help ensure the game has necessary permissions to run smoothly. So the last one is to reinstall the game. So if none of the previous steps work, you may need to uninstall Call of Duty Warzone and reinstall it. This can help fix any corrupted or problematic files. So if the problem persists after trying these steps, you may want to reach out to the game support team or consult their official forums for further assistance. And that's it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day!